I've tried so many self tanners over the years, and honestly, most of them either smelled weird, left streaks, or made me look like a patchy orange mess. But I recently tried Tan Physics, and this one genuinely surprised me in the best way. First of all, it goes on like a regular lotion. It's super smooth and it actually feels like skincare, not just a tanner. My skin felt really soft and hydrated after using it, which I didn't expect from a sunless tanner. It's packed with things like argan oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, and even hydrolyzed collagen, which my dry skin absolutely loves. The color it gives is subtle and natural looking, not fake or overdone. And here's the best part, no funky self-tanner smell. I didn't feel like I had to hide at home for 12 hours after putting it on. Just a little tip, definitely exfoliate first. I used a gentle scrub and a washcloth to prep, and that helped everything go on super even. I also made sure to take my time around dry spots like knees and elbows, so if you've been let down by self-tanners before, I get it. But this one has totally earned a spot in my weekly routine. It's easy to use, feels great on the skin, and gives me that nice glow I've been missing without needing the sun.